Welcome back to the vlog. I don't know which day is going on. I seriously don't know. 4th of February? I seriously don't know. I took a time lapse in the morning. Slept. What I did after that, I woke up just now after 12 hours. So much cold that I'm not able to wake up or do anything. Just woke up now. That's it. The day is finished.
Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke and she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit.
Check out this time lapse. This is the early morning time lapse. I hope this comes out well.
Had to cut the body, then the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep it rocky. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5 same color t-shirt. Mama told me.
During the month of December, Little Hulk, my friend, my college mate, Arvind was here. He was here for 5 days, I guess. Yes, I think so. He was here for 5 days, and at that time I had shot lots of videos. Check this out. Check the videos which was shot previously, and come back after that. Meet you guys after that. Go and watch that. Wearing helmet and going in a bike. Welcome back to the vlog. Let's go. So, Little Hulk channel subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Link in the description. So there will be a video in there will be a video in Little Hulk channel as well, vlogging in Kolkata. So check that out as well, and check this video as well. The boys at home, the boys in Calcutta. Let's go. Let's start the day. The bike is in service. We'll be getting back the bike by 5:30 in the evening. Till then, we can roam. We can see the places. I'll show him some new places in Kolkata. Get him some great street food. So we'll be going there. We'll be having some fun today. So let's go. Finally, the service for Royal Enfield is given. The boys vlogging. Little Hulk is like, we are vlogging together today. It's a collab session. Let's go. Currently heading towards Ravindra Southern, then metro to Park Street, roam around in Park Street, then to Esplanade, a small tour, a quick tour with the boy, showing some places to him. So we'll be going there, having some food, and we'll be coming back to take the bike, and then we'll be heading towards home. In this meanwhile, I'll be showing him few places, and you guys will be also seeing it. So let's go and check those places out. First of all, food is required. I'm literally fucked up hungry. The boy is like starving. So am I. We are going in metro, bro.
Okay.
And we are going to Park Street right now. So
I've been to Park Street, yeah, once. But வழியில பார்த்ததில்ல.
Okay, so we are going to Park Street especially to have some brunch kind of thing, a little bit lunch and a breakfast together.
Bro, where are we?
We are in Ravindra Sadana. Ravindra Sadana.
Ravindra metro station. Yeah.
17, 5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to say a word. 17, 5, same color.
Sweating like hell. It's winter season already, but sweating like hell. In Park Street right now. Reached Park Street. How can I show you guys it is Park Street or not? So let me show you guys it is Park Street. I'm deadly sure about it. It is Park Street. This Park Street roads, Park Street Junction. This place, a new tattoo in my hand. So this is Park Street, in Park Street right now. So I'll show you my father's workspace while going. Boy is like standing. So this is Park Street. We're in Park Street right now. Gonna have some food in the roadside shop, and we'll be heading towards Esplanade to purchase something for Aravind to take back home. Before that, I want to say this is the Park Street metro station. This is the Park Street gate number 3 metro station, and this is the working place of my father. This is very near. Like, this is the metro station and this is the office. He used to go very easily to office. 2 steps, only 2 steps. 2 steps to office. So we have West Coast Paper Mills, West Coast Opticals, JSP Chemicals, Fort Gloucester Industries. Each and every paper limited industries are here. This is the headquarters in Calcutta. So my father used to work here. Appa ni paakrena, this is for you. This is for you. And naanga vella vandirukom. Please paaru. So this is called kamdanga. This is a fruit. Ama, this is a fruit. Exactly the same thing which you are seeing. This is the Indian Museum, the oldest museum, the biggest museum, and the very first museum in India, which was constructed by British people. Indian flag is waving. It was a parliament before, and it was then changed to National Indian Museum in 1814. That's pretty much great. It is closed right now because of the COVID situation which is going on, and people will come here. It is a very nice place. So this is Gugni.
Huh?
This is Gugni.
Guguni.
Okay. Street side food.
வெங்காயம் நிறைய நிறைய இருக்கு.
இது வந்து புளி, இதை
எடுத்து போட்டுருணுமா? பட் நல்லா இருக்கு.
எப்படி இருக்கு?
டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கு, டேங்கியாக இருக்கு.
Dada Gugni, Dichilo. The guy is reviewing it. He's having fun. So this is our third snack of the day, and Dada made a great Gugni. Dada Gugni ta खूब सुंदर ছিল, एकदम ভালো ছিল.
Thank you, Dada.
Okay. এটা আসবে ইউটিউবে আসবে, দেখবে, ঠিক আছে? Blink next day.
Dinner top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep it rocket. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5 same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5 same.
That is the new one, that is the old one.
No, both are the same. Both are the old one. That is the oldest one. This is the pretty much old one.
70 mm, 50 mm.
So these are all the projectors for a cinema, for a movie theater. So we'll be heading back home. We'll go and collect the bike right now. We'll be heading to Ravindra Sadan. I hope you guys saw Dharmatala. He also enjoyed Dharmatala a lot. So we'll be heading back there to collect the bike, and from there we'll be riding back home. Not the So we are in Dharmatala right now. We had a good, super awesome food.
It is good actually.
So he liked it. I liked it a lot. So we had a little bit of snack, but more of.
Liquid.
So we had a nice time.
CH3, CH4, OH.
Figure it out.
Yes. CH3, CH4, OH.
So this is the component ratio of the chemical component which we had.
No, it is the component of the liquid we had.
So
No, don't be the chemical component, they'll find it out.
So we are heading back to collect the bike right now. The Continental GT, the most awaited thing, which has traveled all over the 4 states and reached Kolkata in a safer way by this guy, our little Hulk. So go and subscribe, go and check out his channel, Little Hulk. There is a video with us. Blink next door is there. Go and check that out as well.
It's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke and she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new bitch. Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Whoa, chemo, sobbing, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Had to cut the body, then the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watch.
Continental GT was coming from Chennai to Kolkata. Those videos are there in his channel. Do go and check out those videos and the collab which we did in our video. As I said yesterday, February 3rd was the birthday of Howrah Bridge. We went there as well, but it will be coming up in the upcoming videos. That's it for today, 4th of February. Hit that comment, like and subscribe. Please share this video and click that subscribe button, make it grey, man. Please make it grey. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with a new video. Until then, adios.